From my perspective, the key is to move towards a healthy, sustainable, plant-based world that will also have, as a consequence, a huge reduction in animal cruelty, because there is vast animal cruelty going on in this world relating to our consumption of animal foods. You may be familiar with this quote from Albert Einstein. He said that nothing could help the world or the survival of the planet better than a shift towards a vegetarian diet. He said that over 50 years ago. There are many great minds who were vegan or vegetarian. Leonardo da Vinci, Mahatma Gandhi. These days, there is a trend, and you have very prominent scientists who concur in that direction. You have prominent athletes, you have celebrities like James Cameron, an ultra athlete who is very famous, a vegan ultra athlete, Scott Jurek. You have the author of the China Study, T. Colin Campbell, who is at the forefront of a movement for plant-based nutrition. So there is a movement out there, but it's really at its infancy. But what is important to understand, I think, and I have kids myself, you see, and frankly, it's really that you can be on the right side of history. The right side of history will be to move towards a sustainable world, truly, not fringe improvements, but the substantial improvements that are required so we can keep a large population on planet Earth, and food that is truly healthy. That is really the challenge. And because of this huge inefficiency of the animal food production, there is a huge opportunity, is to do a transition that is going to operate well. And I'm sure you have all these scientific classes, and you know, you may go for your PhD and do research, etc. I have bad news on that front. All the knowledge is out there. We know everything that is needed to do that transition. It's not kind of a hope, you know, it's not kind of a dream, it's all feasible. It's all feasible. The plants that are the most nutritious, some of them you had in the burgers you just had, were developed in Mesopotamia 10,000 years ago. These guys did all the work. It took thousands of years to develop the lentils and the chickpeas and so forth, you see.